Hello students, welcome in business studies video, and you have completed 5 units in business studies. In First of all, you studied about planning, function of management, that plan what to do and how is to be done. Second organizing function to procure to assign the duties. And in next unit, unit number 6, that is staffing, and in staffing unit you must study that the how the management fulfill their requirement to find the right person for right job, for right work. And in this unit you studied about importance of staffing, how staffing is important for every management. And after that, what is the process of staffing? Staffing process is very complicated, and different activities, different steps has been taken out. And in this unit you studied about the training and development. So let's start our today topic, meaning of staffing and importance of staffing. So staffing is the most important function of management because it is फंक्शन कम्स टू रियलिटी इन ऑफ प्लानिंग. जो प्लानिंग में हमने डिसाइड किया, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग के अंदर ड्यूटी असाइन की, अब स्टाफिंग के अंदर जो एक्चुअल में राइट पर्सन को राइट जॉब पर प्रोक्योर कराया जाता है, इट इज द रियलिटी वर्क. सो स्टाफिंग इज कंसर्न विद द रिक्रूटमेंट, selection and placement, training, growth and development of all the members of the organization. And in the staffing, management place the right person, procure the right person on the right job at the right time is called staffing. Right person means according to work, specialized person of that work, and right job, that means according to their qualification, according to their ability, and right time when the organization need that person. So staffing is related to right person, right job and right time in the staffing. Select the right person and fill the job. So next topic is importance of staffing. As you know that in this function, right person is appointed at right job at the right time. That means if right person is not employed at the right time, then our organization is not fulfill their planning and organizing. So that's why staffing is very important function of management. So its first function importance of staffing is competent personnel. Competent personnel means staffing has to find out competent, able, which are specialized person of that work, competent person for various job. And so that in the staffing, management find the competent, able person according to their work, according to their activity, and procure on that work. That is called competent personnel. Second importance is higher performance. In higher performance, that by placing the right person, जब एक राइट जॉब पर, एक राइट एक्टिविटी पर एक राइट पर्सन को प्लेस कर दिया जाता है, तो ही दैट पर्सन, दैट पर्सोनल डू देयर वर्क विद हायर परफॉर्मेंस, देन organization can able to achieve the target with the higher performance. So that's why staffing is important. And next importance is survival and growth. अपने organization की survival, that means going to continue, and growth, that means its profit percentage and its sales percentage increasing day by day, and along with growth of personnel, growth of employees. So that's why सर्वाइवल एंड ग्रोथ ऑफ द बिजनेस बाय प्रोवाइडिंग प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग। सर्वाइवल और ग्रोथ के लिए कैसे इनको ट्रेन किया जाता है, तो हम प्रॉपर एम्प्लॉयज को ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है, और जो भी मैनेजर्स होते हैं उनको फ्यूचर के लिए डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए सेम सिचुएशन की जो उन्होंने काम करना है उससे रिलेटेड उनको टास्क से जो है रिसेंबल कराया जाता है, उनको उन एक्टिविटीज से काम उस सिचुएशन में लाकर काम करना सिखाया जाता है बाय ट्रेनिंग। सो नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंस इज ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज। जो ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज है विच आर पर्सोनल ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, विच आर द मैनेजर्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, उनका ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन, ऑप्टिमम मीन्स which are the capable according to their capacity, according to their quality. It is possible by ensuring the right number of persons on each job position। और अगर हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर स्टाफ की शॉर्टेज होगी तो हमारे बिजनेस को हार्मफुल हो जाएगा, क्योंकि जो रिमेनिंग पर्सोनल होंगे उनके ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन हो जाएगा, और एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन होने से जो पर्सोनल है वो अपने आप को वर्कलोडेड फील करेगा और उसका जो बिहेवियर है वो चेंज हो जाएगा। ही डोंट कंप्लीट हिज ड्यूटी बाय satisfactory manner, unsatisfactory manner he will complete its job। And if the our staff member, if the staff is excess हो जाएगा अगर, तो क्या होगा, each and every person delay the work, he postpone their duties to the another person। So that's why shortage or excess both of the staff is very harmful to the business। And next importance is job satisfaction। Job satisfaction, when right person give the right work to do, that means he feel job satisfaction, वो अपनी जॉब से सेटिस्फाइड फील हो जाता है, फील करता है, और उस एम्प्लॉय का मोरल, जो उसका मेंटल जो है एक सेटिस्फेक्शन का लेवल वो इम्प्रूव हो जाता है थ्रू प्रॉपर असेसमेंट एंड रेमुनरेशन पॉलिसी से। वो अपने वर्क को बहुत ही अच्छे एबिलिटी तरीके से करता है, तो उसको क्या असेसमेंट जो है और रेमुनरेशन पॉलिसीज में इम्प्रूवमेंट मिलती है। So I hope you understand this concept, meaning of staffing and importance। Now it's time to check our knowledge। So first of all, we revised importance of staffing, competent personnel, higher performance, survival and growth, optimum utilization of human resources, and job satisfaction। Now we check our knowledge। Dash is that part of process of management which is concerned with obtaining, utilizing, and maintaining a satisfactory and satisfied workforce, so that it is discussed about staffing। Staffing is that part of the process of management which is concerned with obtaining and utilizing। Second is that recognizes the importance every single person employed by an organization choose the correct option: organizing, staffing, directing, and motivation। So its answer is staffing, because staffing recognizes the importance of every single person employed by an organization। Now, third question is the staffing function assured greater importance these days because आजकल के today's time in modern age staffing function has greater importance। Why? Because रैपिड एडवांसमेंट, रैपिड चेंजेस इन द टेक्नोलॉजी, डेली टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज हो रही है, तो जो पर्सन टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए जल्दी फेमिलर हो जाएगा दैट मीन्स ही इज कैपेबल फॉर दैट वर्क। सेकेंड रीजन इज इंक्रीजिंग साइज ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साइज हैं वो डेली इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं, जैसे जैसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का साइज इंक्रीज होगा नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज की रिक्वायरमेंट भी इंक्रीज होगी। एंड थर्ड इज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बिहेवियर ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग। जो ह्यूमन बीइंग है उनका जो बिहेवियर है वो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है, तो कई बार वो जॉब से सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होते तो दे लीव द जॉब एंड नेक्स्ट कैपेबल पर्सन कैन बी एम्प्लॉयड। एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज द स्टाफिंग इज ए कॉन्टिन्यूअस प्रोसेस। स्टाफिंग जो है एक कॉन्टिन्यूअस प्रोसेस क्यों है? बिकॉज न्यू ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैन बी क्रिएटेड और मे बी एग्जिस्टिंग एम्प्लॉयज are not satisfied for their job and they leave the job. So let's next we start a case study about this topic. So read this case study. Mr. Ali Mohammed, the CEO of the Super Limited, believes that human resource is the most important asset of the firm. He believes that no organization can be successful unless it can fill and keep filled the various positions provided for its structure with the right kind of people. Identify the function of management being discussed above and state the benefits of the organization that its proper application in the firm will ensure. So that identify the function. Here, which function is identified? That function is staffing. And next question is state the benefit of the organization. Benefit means important. So how it is important? First of all, obtaining competent personnel for various jobs. Second, make the higher performance by putting right person on right job. Third is ensure the continuous survival and growth of the enterprises through the succession planning of management. Next, helps to ensure optimum utilization of human resources by avoiding overmanning, and it prevents underutilization of personnel. And fifth is improve job satisfaction and morale of the employees through objective assessment. So I hope you understand this concept and you are able to solve case study related to this topic. So you revise this topic and thank you. Have a nice day.